Hey friends, today I'm going to be filming my April Simply Earth unboxing. This is a monthly subscription box that you can get every month, and you get 4 oils, stuff to make recipes. It's basically a recipe box. It is the best thing I've ever had in my life. When you sign up, you get a free big bonus box with like rollers and like fractionated coconut oil and carrier oils and all this extra stuff that you can use to make your recipes. So yeah, and if you sign up with my link, you'll get a $45 gift card back after your first purchase of the subscription box. So it's nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Anyway, so make sure to subscribe if you're new, and let's go ahead and get started in this video. So the first thing I see when I open up this bag is this. I'm assuming this is a dryer sheet. I do know that the month of April is cleaning month. That's like our theme. Last month it was skincare, and this month is cleaning. So yes, this is a little dryer sheet. Then you get recipe cards to make your recipes. So you get dish, tab, oven cleaner. Wow. You get 1, 2, 3 laundry sheet. Up in that umbrella blend. There's just a lot of different things that you get. With all of these products, you can make all of these recipes with just these products in this really tiny box. So it's actually super helpful. And then you got this. This is laundry detergent sheets. Wow. Then I get a little pamphlet. Then I got some Castile soap for one of the recipes. I have this. This is, I believe, a dishwasher tablet. But what sucks is I don't have a dishwasher, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that or not. But, we'll see. Then you get, like, all the labels and all the, stuff to put on top of the oils. Like, it's, like, labels for the top of the lid. And then we got more like little recipes down in here. There's just so many recipes that you can make with this one box. I mean, clearly there's like 8 cards. It's insane. And then what you guys want to exactly see is the oils that we get this month. So let's go ahead and get into that. So the first oil is a 5 ml, and this is black pepper. You know, I've never had this oil before, so it's actually very interesting because the Simply Earth box, you can always get oils that you've never had, and you can always try new things, and it's not that expensive. It's a very inexpensive price with good quality oils, so I really like this. And on the back it shows like where it's from, the aroma, ingredients, and what part of the plant that it's from. So this is from the dried fruit. This is from Madagascar. The aroma is spicy and fresh. Let's open it up and see. Because I always imagined that black pepper would literally smell like black pepper. But let's find out. Okay, that's kind of crazy because it really does. It smells like black pepper. And you know, sometimes oils are misleading. Like, they'll have like a label that you'll think is what it exactly smells like if you know something that smells like that. And then you smell it and it's it's a totally different scent. So it's just off. And then this is a blend. Oh crap, I almost dropped that box. This is Homebody. This is the Homebody blend. This is a blend of Howood, Amyris, Copaiba, and Vetiver. And I'm really excited for this essential oil. And this is a 15 ml. And let's smell it. Oh, that smells good. It's like, it smells like cleaning solution or something. I don't know. It smells like a very good oil for cleaning with. And then we got sweet orange. I don't think anybody that's ever had a bottle of sweet orange, I don't think anybody has ever opened up the bottle and smelled it and said, "Ooh, that's nasty." Because, you know, sweet orange is a staple oil. Like, it smells so good. It's a good aroma. It's a citrus scent. You can use it for so many different purposes. Literally, I have like Young Living's orange right here because I use it to tame down my frizz with my hair. It helps with that, and I'm like obsessed with orange. So I'm really excited because I need another orange oil. I'm literally almost out of this one. I mean, I'm not almost out, but I'm getting pretty low. So it's nice to get another one, and you can use it for all these recipes. And then the last and fourth and final oil that we got is Clean and Fresh. This has fir needle, lemon, grapefruit, and neroli in it. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, neroli is a very expensive oil. And it smells kind of like leather, in my opinion. I don't know. It smells like a leather cleaner. Is that weird? I don't know. That's what I think it smells like to me. Yeah, I really like these oils. So there's 2 blends and then there's 2 single oils, and all the ingredients to make the oil recipes, as well as the recipe cards and the recipe card labels and the oil top labels. It's an amazing box, and it literally gives you everything that you need to do everything that you need to do with this box. So I love Simply Earth to the core. I will always be using this box. I love Simply Earth. I really do. So I will link my link down below, as well as my code, and you can get a $45 gift card back on your first purchase once you place it. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.